Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the error opening file for writing during installation your program software or game in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to right click on the setup file and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you can try to install and check if the problem solved or not. Method 2, you just need to right click on it and select run as administrator and select yes. Select I agree and you just need to change the install location guys. Select browse, select another drive. You just need to select make new folder and in here you can save it guys. After typing the name you just need to select OK and select install and check if the problem solved or not. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type UAC. Comes up change user account control setting, click on open it. You just need to drag this point to down. After changing it, select OK and select yes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. Method 4, you just need to right click on the setup file and select properties. Select compatibility tab and select run compatibility troubleshooter. You just need to select yes. You just need to select none of the above. Do you want to apply recommended compatibility settings for you? Select yes. Did this solve your problem? You just need to please try your application again and check if the problem solved or not guys. Method 5, you just need to right click on the setup file and select properties. Select security tab and select edit. Select add. Select advanced. Select find now. Under this list you just need to find everyone. After finding the everyone, select it and select OK. Select OK again and you just need to select everyone in this list and select a full control check mark and select apply and OK for save changes. Select OK. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.